Mama says that alligators are ornery because they got all them teeth but no toothbrush.
Contact with target.
He's going under the bridge.
Alright, enemy down.
This man's got paint in the forehead.
And Crazy Horse was a baby. He nursed from the breast of every woman in the tribe.
Taking fire. They'll never shoot through these. Hey,
Man will die.
I am the powerful, the pleasurable.
They went straight down. How about a wee pick-me-up?
He got him!
Both of them?
Smoke both those pieces of shit!
Any progress? I'm already in the next ring. Time to gather supplies. Enemy killed. I hurt them.
Heads up, got one here.
Mayday, crashing and burning over. Taking fire.
If you're edged because I'm wheezing on your grind, it's just chill. Because if I had the whole Brady Bunch thing happen at my pad, I'd go grind over there. So don't tax my gig so hardcore, Cruster.